Good morning, students. Welcome back to 10th class English. The name of the poem is Village Song, written by Sarojini Naidu. Marriage is an important event in a person's life. Parents want to see their children happily married and settled. In this poem, however, a young girl does not wish to get married. Read the poem to find out why the girl takes such a decision. Before that, let's know about the poet. Sarojini poetess, we can say poetess. Sarojini Naidu was a child prodigy, well-known poet, freedom fighter and a poet. She was born in Hyderabad on February 13th, 1879. She was a prolific writer. That means she produced a lot of literary works. She gave up her literary career to join the freedom struggle led by Mahatma Gandhi. She was the first Indian woman to become the president of the Indian National Congress and the first woman to become the governor of Uttar Pradesh. She was popularly known as the Nightingale of India. ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ତାକୁ ଭାରତର ବୁଲବୁଲ ବୋଲି ତାଙ୍କୁ କୁହାଯାଏ. The poem Village Song appeared in her book titled The Gold Threshold, first published by Dodo Press, London, 1905. She passed away in 1949. Next, let's have about something about the poem. India has a long tradition, tradition parampara of folk poetries, loka gita samuha, which has largely been oral. जोगुड़ा oral means ଯାହାକି ପାଟିରେ କୁହାଯାଉଥିଲା. They were not found in written forms. They were found in oral forms. It deals with customs, pratha, beliefs, vishwasa, traditions, parampara, superstitions, andhavishwasa, kusanskara, simple joys of sorrows of people, particularly those living in a rural setting. କହିବାର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଲା ସରୋଜିନୀ ନାଇଡୁଙ୍କର ଯେତେ ସବୁ ସାହିତ୍ୟ କୃତି ସାଧାରଣ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କର ଆନନ୍ଦ, ଉତ୍ସାହ, ପ୍ରଥା, ବିଶ୍ୱାସ, ପରମ୍ପରା, ଅନ୍ଧବିଶ୍ୱାସ ଏବଂ ସୁଖ ଦୁଃଖ ଆଧାରିତ. These are treated with directness and simplicity, and those poems are written in simple form. That means her literary works are very simple and anyone can understand. Right. Next, folk poetry aims at presenting a collective life, samastigata jivana, collective life means it was usually nurtured pratiposhita. It was usually nurtured by wandering ministers. ए जगारू से जगह को भ्राम्यमाण भी कहीपर. वांडरिंग मिनिस्टर्स मीन्स भाट जो मैंने संगीतज्ञ गाँ गाँ बुली संगीत गाई भिक्षावृत्ति करिथांती से मानू आम साधारणतः वांडरिंग मिनिस्ट्रेल्स कही थाउ. So it was usually nurtured by wandering minstrels, hence it was recitative. Folk lyrics do not make excessive demand upon the reader and their simplicity, vocabulary, Sabdapunja, simplicity सरलता बुझिबार सरलता बोध गम्यता and imaginary are drawn from everyday scenes and sights आम दैनन्दिन जीवन दृश्य राज्य को नहीं ए fog tales fog lores and fog songs are written. Sarojini Naidu has captured all these qualities यही सब गुण से आहरण करथिले. तो qualities of what? Traditional folk poetry in her poems. In this poem are presented the voice of a mother pleading, requesting with her daughter to wait for the betrothed. Betrothed means bridegroom to arrive. Sometimes we say finance. So, and that of the daughter who wishes to run up to the forest and remain a child. Next, the poem begins like this. Honey child, the mother says, honey child, or dear child, whither are you going? Whither means where. Hey, dear daughter, where are you going? The mother asks her daughter. Would you cast, that means throw away, फिंगी देबू कि बाहर कर देबू कि would you cast your jewels तोर गहना गाटिया बाहर कर देबू कि would you cast your jewels all सबू to the breeze blowing, that means will you throw your jewels into the wind. Would you leave the mother who on a golden grain has fed you. The mother asks daughter, will you leave me? Will you leave your mother who on golden grains has fed you? The mother who has given you so much love, affection, who has fed you her breast nectar. So the mother is asking all things is whether the daughter will leave her mother. Would you grieve the lover who is riding forth to wed you? And the mother is asking the daughter, will you break the heart of the bridegroom who is coming on a horse to wed you and take you? These are the questions the mother is asking the daughter. Now let's move to the next stanza, and the stanza is like this. Mother mine, my mother, my dear mother, the daughter says, my dear mother, to the wildest forest I am going. When the mother asked the daughter where she was going, the daughter in reply says she was going to the forest, wild forest, where upon the champa box the champa birds are blowing. I am going to the forest where champa you know is a very sweet scented and beautiful flower. So the daughter is saying that she was going to the forest where champa bows and champa birds are blowing. Oh, to the quail hunted river easels where lotus lilies glisten, to the forest where the quail, the Indian cuckoo, makes her melodious sound, and the rivers and the islands make the forest beautiful, and where the lotus or lily flowers bloom and glisten. I am going to that place. The voice of the fairy folk are calling me. Oh, listen, a mother. The fairies in the forest calls me. So I am going to the forest. Next stanza is like this. Honey, now the mother says, honey child, the world is full of pleasure. The mother tries to convince her daughter. The mother tries to convince daughter who was going away to the forest, forgetting to marry. So, discarding the marriage. So, the mother says, tries to convince the daughter that, honey child, oh dear child, the world is full of pleasure. It is full of bridal song, that is marriage song, and a cradle song, that is lullabies. ए झियो ए पृथ्वी ए जो संसार रे सुख शांति भरी रही कौन कौन भरी ब्रिडाल सॉन्ग अच्छी क्रेडल सॉन्ग अच्छी एंड सैंडल सेंटेड लीजर अच्छी दैट मीन्स दिस वर्ल्ड इज फुल ऑफ प्लेजर देर इज इट इज फुल ऑफ ब्रिडाल सॉन्ग्स क्रेडल सॉन्ग्स एंड सैंडल सेंट योर ब्रिडाल रब्स आर इन द लूम your marriage dresses are half finished and they are silver and saffron glowing and those dresses the colors of those half finished dresses are silver and saffron glowing, that is shining. Glowing means shining. So your bridal cakes are on the earth. Earth means chuli. That means your bridal dress and your bridal cake, marriage dress or marriage cakes are half done. Oh dear, still where are you going? The mother asks her daughter. Right. Next, move to the next stanza. The bridal song and cradle songs have cadence of sorrow. You don't know mother, the daughter says to the mother, mother, these bridal songs, these cradle songs will one day fade up, die down. The laughter of the sun today, the pleasure of today's pleasure, the wind of death tomorrow, tomorrow's death storm. For sweeter sound the forest note where forest streams are falling. So the streams or the and the waterfalls that are making sweet notes in the forest are far sweeter than these bridal songs and cradle songs. The bridal marriage songs and the cradle songs will one day die down, but the forest notes will never. Oh mother mine, oh my dear mother, I can't stay because the fairy fox are calling me. I must leave. So this is the all about the poem. Now let's have word dealing. Honey child means the mother addresses माने डाकुचंदी श्रद्धारे डाकुचंदी the girl affectionately आदरे श्रद्धारे affectionately means आदरे श्रद्धारे. Breeze means wind, golden grain means delicate dishes, champa name of a flower, कोयल a song bird black in color, that is कोयली and that is also called the Indian cuckoo. Bridal songs means marriage song. Next, cradle songs lullaby. Lullaby means नाना बाय गीत पिला मानकु माँ माने शुआइवा पाई जो गीत गाई थांती से गीत को क्रेडल सॉन्ग कहा जाए और लुल्लाबी कहा जाए. ब्रिडाल रब्स वेडिंग ड्रेस मैरिज ड्रेस, cadence rhythm pace, laughter of son happiness, pleasure of living, wind of death loss and sorrow, forest notes music of nature or melodious note of the nature. So today we discussed about the poem village song. Now we have a question answer. Yes, the poem appears to be a conversation between two persons. Who are they? The poem appears to be a conversation कथोपकथन between two persons they are the mother and her daughter. Next question is, where does the honey child go? The honey child goes to the forest. Next question, why should she leave the mother and grieve the lover? She, the child or the daughter, should leave the mother and grieve, cause sorrow, her lover because she is fed up with what? The harsh reality of the earthly life. Next question is question number 4. How does the child describe the wild forest? The child describes the wild forest with the champak flowers in the trees, the sweet notes of the quails near the small river island Deepa, where wild lotus and lily blossom and shine. Next question is, what does the expression the world full of pleasure mean? The expression the world full of pleasure means the world of joy, of marriage songs, lullabies and cooling shade of sandalwoods and the sweet scent of the sandal flower. What is the common about bridal song and cradle song? The common thing about bridal songs and cradle songs is that the flower of sorrow, the flow of sorrow, that is not flower, the flow of sorrow in them is to question the bride and the to quieten, that is Santo Karva, to quieten the bride and the child. How does the poet describe happiness and sorrow? The poet describes that happiness lies in the brightness of the sun and sorrow in the death of someone. How does the poet compare forest notes with bridal songs and cradle songs? According to the poet, the forest notes or songs are sweeter and happier than the bridal songs and the cradle songs, and that is the end of the poem Village Song. We will have other discussions in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.